Hello traders, welcome to this series of educational videos that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londoño, I'm a trader and a market analyst, and today's video is very interesting for me. It's about technical analysis. It's trading with multiple charts and why you could consider this approach to the charts, right? Now, trading with multiple charts allows you to analyze an asset or security from different perspectives in terms of time frames, right? By examining, for example, various time frames such as short-term and long-term charts, you can identify either trends, patterns, or potential support and resistance levels, depending on the strategy you have, of course, right? So this comprehensive analysis can provide a more nuanced view of market conditions and help you to make more informed decisions during the periods of trading. For example, I do use this approach in my personal analysis. Of course, remember, these are not trading ideas. This is just an approach I personally do with my strategy, which is reading price action. For example, I use 2-hour time frame, a 1-hour time frame over here, just to have knowledge of how is it going through the days, and finally 15-minute charts to see how is it going through the sessions. For example, here I have in 2 hours we can see that we have an uptrend or a bullish trend, and this what happened during the last 2 weeks was like a correction on price. So after it went to the place I wanted, we wanted to check how is the change on the structure going, and of course how the gaps are being fall down and put it in place. Also, when is it going to happen? So in 2 hours we have like the medium term mindset, and for example here we see that we failed the sell side liquidity of the previous week. We changed on the structure, and then we have the FOMC news that was huge for the euro. I mean, the DXY or the dollar index had a down movement. So we see that after that we captured the buy side liquidity of the previous week. So that's when we wanted to know what's going to happen then, and what's going to happen through the sessions. That's something we can see here in 15-minute charts. We saw that happening in 1 hour time frame. So what's going on here to be, like I was saying over and in the introduction, a potential support or resistance levels in this case, since I was thinking the target is the buy side liquidity still, because we having a bullish trend on the long-term time frames. So after that we can see that the potential support will take place during the sessions, right? So that's something that happened on the London session. It captured sell side liquidity of the Asian session. Again, change the state of the structure, again bullish. That's what we want to see. Now we want to see the volume in displacement, and then the correction. Just as the correction in 2 hours, right? Just as it happened in the long time frame, we have the displacement, and we have the correction, and we take action where we are considering to do it during the sessions. It happens the same. Now it happened in New York time, from 8 to 8:30 when the CME or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange opens. Huge volume is involved there. So then we have the movement and again attacking the buy side liquidity of the previous sessions. So this is something you can do by watching the price in multiple time frames, so you can know what is the price action doing. We also have multiple time frame trading article here in our FXCM platform. So if you want to check that, we recommend you to do it. What we were doing was a top-down approach, right? Top-down, which means from 2 hour to 15 minutes approach to what the market is doing. Also, multiple time frames analysis, trade execution. That's what it will have happened here the execution during the New York session, etc. So if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe it. Also, for now, this will be all on this video. I wish you good luck and a good trading session. I will see you in the next one.